mashaka no to kamba na mala mga kota vitra mina mandla le gere gingirkan wa kamashava masola ku le moveni lexi tla ku mandri moveni ku I'm looking for this guy. His name is Tiego. Akavula ka mgalone la ka ngena ina project ni banga ku endleni lava ni kala ku kuba so ni la ku ngibona ni twa ku re project le famba njani ni twa ku very ile China Mall senta nang lava la China Mall. Yes, this is the guy I'm looking for. Why Tumbela? Ila wa ina China Mall ku mena ni tsoka ikhumula ka radio ukuthoto lokhula ka radio ile kudonte ka Mkumba ngaba kisha Mkumba namuntu
yeah so aka radio ngibulabure no taba ire alitaba primary school Ankoa. So yeah, we are here to do what we promised. You know, the post is out there on our Facebook page.
Yes.
But in Transformers SA and also on Twitter we are also there. SA Transformers. So yeah, the post is there. Comparing the donations or anything, you know, from 100 rands or more. From Blabber
how much did you manage to
7,000.
Wow.
Right, yeah. We got the 7,000 in the comments.
Okay.
Yeah. 7,000.
Oh, so we made stock.
So you made stock.
Okay. Mara, I'll go to samples. Start with the.
And doing samples.
Okay. Show me the samples. Follow me.
Sample wako and by nigga deal cut here 95 rands. Amen na go hand this one.
So how many blankets are you buying?
Exactly, it's 100 blankets. Okay. Mara one you made deal cut net how could I sell 95 rands. Wow, blanket.
Front service.
I'm Steve.
So long kumba na.
Different goods.
So shula ku Mkumba lewa yeni kwa bana wa xikolo.
Yani kwa bana wa xikolo. Yeah, and like as we were in Karido Kore. Ili tava school with special needs. So
okay.
Bana lava bangana disability. Yeah, so
this guy is doing a good job, guys. If you also have ideas to help other people, cut it email us just one. Manava makuma shirami. Lero sufana Mkumba sokufumela swa laveka so ai nikeni very xandla lexi tikaku xi kota ku xikateka swona
va xandla famba xandla
kenda vuya
the reason why xava Mkumba lewa as Transformers SA the organization bona ifamba khaendla ti project to hambana so like one of the projects like the idea behind the project ku ri loko n'wayi na ku ri birthday ya yena if an atana idea ngori uta endla njani ku celebrate that birthday so sungule I project 28 eziniborini yishabe timpahla ta xikolo bana primary school and it was successful ngoba ke kubana company yin'wani but they wona yi sanitary towels
but some more
mabona. So yeah, this is a good thing. We are doing this one now. If birthday ya mina this month. Right, so birthday ya mina yiti 24th June. So ndawani celebrate yiti 22th June alitaba school with special needs. Ikunika Mkumba. That is my celebration for birthday ya mina. So yeah.
I'm thirsty to talk.
Hey, no, we are thirsty to give.
We are thirsty to give.
Yeah.
Salute.
Look
at it, Meli. Okay, don't mind my hair. Okay, let me take the cap off. So, tell me, how did you manage to raise the money? 7 grand. I mean, banga 8 one.
Okay, yeah, so now I got like our Facebook page, alright, it's a post.
Yeah.
When I post like when I like in account number.
Yes.
And account number when I is very active.
Yeah.
Like you know, like if I have to say. So like it's a the beneficiary money donations. Ilitaba. So but now like Lango, you know, like we've created like a platform like this one because it seems like you know they want to give but they don't know where to start. So we've created that platform, Transformers SA. If you have anything, you know, the smallest that you have, you know, you can just go on a Facebook page, put the money into the account, you can put your restaurants there, and we'll definitely do as we promised.
So mali lewa I contribute nationally
from Cape Town.
Yes.
You have contributing. You've got something from there, from all the way from Eastern Cape. I'm gonna contributing. And I will have to say Botswana na yona they were in it. I'm gonna contributing.
I mean mali.
So yeah, so Botswana, Cape Town, Eastern Cape, Gauteng, Limpopo, there were so many contributions and they came. And I cannot, you know, I don't even know what I can say, you know, to show how thankful I am. But all I can do now is I can say thank you so much. The people that are going to receive these blankets, they're going to be very, thank you so much, very, very happy. I know that. Yeah, so this is the time to pay.
I fake we're not con artists there on Facebook. From the not mali na handle.
So yeah, well, let's calculate you in live.
This one is 500.
For
that one.
So I come
400. That one is
no, say
this one is
how many blankets extra?
This one is
95 rents.
This
one's 400.
Originally,
No discount how much?
1,825
rent discount. Because you want to give it to poor people.
Wow.
in between, but a discount.
1,000.
825 rent discounted price.
Yeah.
1,825 discount. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
sir.
Can go. So, lay mali, safe I mean.
Like
Yeah.
no, mina la kwindra kese ke vanhu ka lo nga nikela xikwembu xi mikatekisi.
Swinene. Xikwembu xi va na n'wina hinkwerhu.
I told you nigga I will make it. And when I will in a contract, and they count out on the blessings. And I'm chasing nigga family. And pulling got illuminati. No my gonna pin on the harvest. I ready chasing don't you have receipt. They go by the
Kaya ni kichinchi ya 65 rands. So from my contribution nitashaba nkumba wa extra.
This guy.
Yeah. So ni Edwin kata like an labichinchi.
Yeah.
Mali fani hiyelela.
Utramali.
So kiramali yeah. So ilaba nkumba wani imali 110 and 5 rand
Extra. We want another blanket.
They will keep change.
We want another blanket and please keep the change.
And please keep the change. Oh, so sleep shine leshi so me inkumba one wa extra. So yeah. Nzengo.
Bata sitakela swinene mina ni kumanda le kereke stores tingani ukuselekri nyora. I'm thirsty totoro ngatitimeli. Salute. Eka stores.
Alright, yeah. Now say 18 imagine kumba ingeni Garofa.
Well, as you can see, we are done collecting the blankets for the kids in Limpopo. And now I'm just gonna follow Teko on this mini convoy as we are going to get ready to transport the blankets to Limpopo. Shahado tena, she shot a milora, kupuka kashoko bankus.